Welcome friends to VG Creativity World. Today I am showing how to do shadow work. It is also known by the Lucknowi Kadai in India. Okay, so let us begin. So first of all I am just filling this leaf. One more thing, when we are doing the shadow work, the cloth should be very transparent, and we are doing the work on the back side so that front side it is the filling is seen. Okay, or embroidery work is seen. That's why it is known as shadow work. So let us start. So from one corner, because the knot will be upside, means this is our back side filling we are doing. So see, like this, herringbone stitch. It is actually herringbone stitch. See, like this. So we will complete like this. Now see, this stem is filled, so make the knot. Now we will do the stem. So see, sorry, leaf, like this, take out, that is tip, and again in the same way we will do the herringbone stitch. Okay, see, like this. So So see, like this you have to do herringbone stitch. uh, if we are doing very close, it looks more beautiful. So like this we have to do. See, now the leaf is completed. One more here and one more here, and see, I will show front side. It looks like this. See, this is the front side of shadow work or Lucknowi kadai. So now make the knot and we will fill the next leaf. Now next leaf, again from the tip you start, like this you take, and again in the same manner we will complete it. See, like this. So it is the same way, all the work here, shadow work, like this. See, like this we will complete it. See, like this, like this. Again like this, means we have to move in the same manner. So here I have completed, so I will make the knot. See, I will show the front side. See, it looks like this, beautiful. Okay, so now I will make the knot. Now this center I will do. So for see that, take like this, and here we will take less because circumference of smaller circle is less, and here I will take little more distance, okay, compared to the smaller one. See, like this, and here it is very less, I will take just simply like this. Okay, so like this we will complete it. See, here I will take more distance, and here little just like this. Okay, so like this we will complete it. So see, like this, and here I will take little less. Okay, so here more and here less because circumference of smaller circle is less, and here circumference is more. See, okay, this we have to remember whenever you are filling the circle, that time with herringbone stitch. Now see, one more, and now here it is completed. Okay, so I will make the knot. See, front side it is looking like this. See, beautiful. Now pattern filling. So for that, again for the tip we have to move like this. Okay, keep here like this, then the edge means of that particular shape comes perfect because it is moving alternate sides. See, like this, and again in the same way we will complete it. Okay, see, so I will show front side. See, this will be seen like this. Okay, tip. Okay, so like this we will complete it. Same way we will do it. And see that doing close, if you are keeping the distance, then it will look beautiful, but when we are taking closer, then it looks more beautiful. Okay, see, like this. So we will finish like this. And now it is going to be end. See, this is the last pattern. So same way it has been filled. So see, this is the back side of our shadow work. I will show the front side now. See, now it is going to be finished. So now it is finished. So make the knot. See, while making the knot, like this you come and make the knot. At least 2 knots you should make, because silky cotton 1 knot it comes out, so better make 2 knots. Now if you see here, this is our herringbone stitch. Now see the front side. See, here some extra. I will just cut. So friends, see, shadow work look very beautiful. In this way we can make the shadow work. See, when we are putting the double layer, so means astar of dress and all, so it looks beautiful. See, like this. I hope that you like it. If you like it, then like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.